Hi guys! Welcome to my mom's channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Or if you're already a member of my mom's channel, please comment to see how you found this video and the meal. So, today in this video, my mom is making burger. This burger turned out to be so delicious and I really wanted more. So, my mom is putting some spices and seasoning to make this patty look very tasty and juicy when it fries. So, after my mom adds all the pepper and seasonings, she'll add a bit of olive oil and she'll add paprika and some parsley. Mix it all up together and then she'll add the olive oil into the pan. Now, in an empty pan, my mom is adding olive oil and all the patties one by one. Now, in the meantime, please tell us where you're watching this video from so my mom can send you a hug. Now, my mom is going to place it onto the grill pan so she can put it in the oven. Right now, my mom is about to start washing all the lettuce. She's starting to separate them and adding a bit of salt and washing it again and again to make sure that they're properly clean. So, after washing them, my mom is now going to pat dry them to make sure they dry properly. Now my mom is cutting all of the burger slices into two, putting butter in the pan, and she's gonna start toasting them. Now my mom is going to repeat the same process until all of the breads are properly toasted. Now my mom is cutting the onions, tomatoes, and cucumber that we need for this recipe. Now, it's time for my mom to spread the butter on the bread, and all the vegetables that we cut up earlier will be placed onto the bread. Now, my mom is adding lettuce. Now, my mom is placing the cheese onto the patty so she can put it in the oven again so it'll melt and it'll be even better. See? What did I tell you? Now it looks even juicier. Now, my mom is placing the onions, the tomato, the cucumber on, and then this is going to look fabulous. Wow, this looks really good with all the cheese and all the tomato and everything that we put on. Now, all that's left is to put the remaining onion. Now, my mum is putting mayonnaise and tomato nando sauce. My mum is now adding the burger top bun, and wow, look at that! This burger ended up tasting absolutely delicious. Wow, we're already at the end of this video. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this and even more delicious meals. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. That kind of love where they reach